Solve for x and y. 2, 2, 5, 7. We're given two equations, negative y plus x equal to 1 and 5y minus 2x equals negative 5. So negative y plus x equal to 1 and 5y minus 2x equals negative 5. As you can see, when you add 5y minus y becomes 4y minus 2x plus x is negative x. So x does not cancel out, y does not cancel out. So what do? If we multiply the first equation by 2, we get 2x here and we get negative 2x here, so we can add. To get 2x here, we have to multiply both left and right sides by 2. So when you multiply the first equation by 2, what do we get? Negative y becomes negative 2y, x becomes 2x, and 1 becomes 2 times 1. And now we know what to do. Add 2x and minus 2x cancels out. 5y minus 2y becomes 3y. So 3y equals negative 5 plus 2, which is negative 3. So 3y equals negative 3 or y equals negative 1. Okay. So that's what I did here. You add 5y minus 2y, negative 2x plus 2x, negative 5 plus 2. So you get 3y equals minus 3. Divide both sides by 3, and what do we get? Y equals negative 1. Once we have y equals negative 1, you can substitute into either equation 1 or equation 2. Let's take equation 2. So 5y, y is equal to negative 1. So 5 times negative 1 minus 2x equals negative 5. 5 times negative 1 becomes negative 5. So negative 5 minus 2x equals negative 5. So what does that mean? When you add 5 to both sides, negative 5 plus 5, negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So you get negative 2x equal to 0 or x equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and y equals negative 1. We plot negative y plus x equal to 1 when you put x equal to 0 into this black equation. When you put x equal to 0, you get y equals negative 1. And when you put y equal to 0, you get x equal to 1. So our black line passes through 1, 0 and 0, negative 1. How about the red line? When you put x equal to 0, you get 5y equals negative 5 or y equals negative 1. So when you put x equal to 0, 0, negative 1 is our solution. So the red line does pass through 0, negative 1. What else? So when you put x equals 0, you got y equals negative 1. When you put y equal to 0, you get negative 2x equals negative 5 or x equals 2.5. So that is 2.5 right here, because this is 3 and this is 2. So this is 2.5. So our red line passes through 2.50. And what is the point of intersection? 0, negative 1.